Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that can make anyone's knees weak: interacting effectively with people in positions of authority. Whether it's your boss, a professor, a public official, or even your in-laws, navigating communication with someone who holds more power can feel daunting. But don't worry, it's not an impossible feat. In this video, we'll break down some key strategies to ensure you not only survive, but thrive in these interactions. Buckle up, because we're about to unlock the secrets of confident communication with authority figures. 1. Respect versus fear. Let's start with the foundation: respect. Authority doesn't deserve blind obedience, but it does deserve respect. Approaching with genuine respect allows you to build a bridge of trust and understanding. However, respect shouldn't morph into fear. Fear leads to timidity, mumbling, and forgetting all your brilliant ideas. Remember, you have valuable things to contribute, and you deserve to be heard. 2. Know your worth. Speaking of contribution, before any interaction, remind yourself of your unique strengths and expertise. Are you a data whiz, a creative dynamo, a master problem solver? Recognizing your value gives you the confidence to speak up and share your insights. Don't let someone else's title diminish your worth. 3. Preparation is key winging. It might work in other areas of life, but with authority figures, preparation is your best friend. Anticipate potential questions, rehearse your key points, and gather supporting data if needed. Feeling prepared takes the edge off anxiety and allows you to present your ideas with clarity and conviction. 4. Active listening and empathy. Effective communication is a two-way street. Don't just focus on getting your message across. Actively listen to their perspective, ask clarifying questions, and demonstrate genuine interest in their point of view. Building empathy fosters trust and creates a more collaborative environment. 5. Speak up with confidence. Now comes the nerve-wracking part: voicing your thoughts. Here's the secret: confidence is contagious. Project a clear, calm, and assertive voice. Avoid filler words like and like. Speak directly and to the point, but maintain a respectful tone. Remember, confidence comes from knowing your worth and being prepared, not from arrogance. 6. Disagree gracefully. Disagreement is inevitable, but how you handle it makes all the difference. Instead of launching into a defensive tirade, listen carefully to their reasoning, acknowledge their viewpoint, and then present your perspective calmly and logically. Focus on finding solutions, not winning arguments. 7. Body language matters. Communication is more than just words. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and avoid nervous fidgeting. These nonverbal cues project confidence and professionalism. Remember, even your silence speaks volumes, so make it speak of respectful attentiveness. 8. Seek mentorship. Learning from those in positions of authority can be invaluable. Don't be afraid to seek out mentors or sponsors who can offer guidance and support. Their experience and advice can help you navigate the dynamics of power and accelerate your growth. 9. Remember, you're not alone. Feeling intimidated by authority figures is perfectly normal. We've all been there. But remember, you're not alone. By applying these tips and practicing with every interaction, you'll gradually build confidence and communication skills that will empower you to interact effectively with anyone, regardless of their title. 10. Call to action. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and practice these tips. Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Let's build a community of confident communicators who break down the barriers of authority and forge meaningful connections with everyone we meet. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on navigating tricky social situations. Remember, you've got this.